Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your region or country in Valorant account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you can now save here and make sure that when you go to the Valorant main page, you're going to sign in. So from here, just look for the page that says play now. And then from here, once you create that, just click on create sign account. Once you go to the sign to the Riot account, just click on I already have an account. And then from here, sign into your Valorant account fully. Once you go to your My Account, click on Support. Once you go to Support right here, you're going to scroll all the way down and you can see a lot of help options. One of them says Transfer Region. Click on that. Once you click on Transfer Region, it's going to send you to this page right here. Scroll all the way down until you see thankfully you have the wrong region listed on your account. We're here to help. So click on Login again. And now you can just simply click on Check. And now it's going to check if you're in the wrong region and it's going to try to fix it for you. Now this is going to be fully automatic. In case this fails or something doesn't happen with it, then all you have to do is just scroll up and click on Submit a Ticket. Once you click Submit a Ticket, choose a request type, and then from here just search Account Management, Data Request or Deletion. And then from here, Platform, just select the platform you play on. And then the subject, you can just say Change Region. Please select your inquiry, select Account Management. And then from here, under Account Management, you're going to scroll down and say Help Changing Region of Residence Country assigned to the account. And then you can do the check again for it and it'll do it automatically. And then you can write full description and then submit a ticket and they will reach out back to you directly about this issue. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.